Guys, welcome back to Low RC. This is Jason, and finally Liz and Wyatt are joining us back on the channel tonight. And we are out here near Crawler County, and you can see in the picture we've got a 1966 Impala, and that's kind of the theme of today's video. Wyatt's car. Wyatt's awesome 66 Impala. But we got a little unboxing to do. This is something new to us at the channel. So Wyatt and Liz over here are going to get right after it. They got a little package here hiding behind the car. And what the heck do we have?
We're going to open it. This is our shipping stuff. Okay, go ahead. Picking at it.
And there's Miles. Miles is joining us back on the channel as well. Everybody always asks where Miles is, and there he is having fun out here at the course tonight.
Oh, I like that. Is that the color? Oh my gosh. Wow. That's sharp. Oh, careful, you'll scratch your car.
Here we go.
Wow, does it really do that, Wyatt? Does it pop its butt up?
It does.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that box.
You're gonna cut the
And
box.
I think there's something in, there's like a one of those little pictures inside of that box you can set up, like on the inside.
64 it says on it.
Yep, this one is a 64 Impala.
Oh wow.
Two-door.
What's this one?
This is a 66. The real one is a 66.
You need to get that one, Wyatt. That's cooler looking.
That one would be pretty expensive.
Oh.
That is like probably the most sought after year.
Oh.
And here we go with the unboxing. Just got a piece of plastic. I don't know what that is either.
It's a windshield, I bet.
Stickers.
But it's the
I
windshield.
don't know. I'd keep it, whatever it is.
For
Got
a
a
back window.
super fancy controller.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's a big one.
And then here's the beauty right here.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
That is absolutely sick.
It is. Wow, it's like yours.
Wyatt's gonna do the honors here. It does have the same front.
Yeah, it's got the same trunk.
It's got the
It's only
same,
got one door though. Not two.
pretty much the same grill and the same headlights and bumper as the real thing.
Oh,
That
wow.
is super cool. Chevrolet right there on the grill. Chevrolet right there on the grill.
Are these on yours, Wyatt? These little flaggy things? No.
Look at that sucker.
You're missing your flag.
That is awesome.
You need to put your flags back on.
Oh, you got
We'll
a
have
piece
to
of
Google
paper on
it.
your roof still.
We'll have to find the flags. Those are neat. I wish ours had a flag. Maybe we can steal it off the RC car. Oh, it's too small. Hey, you know what we could do?
What?
We get a 3D print one.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
So what do you think? What else is in the box? Does it come with? It came with the battery too, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it is a nickel metal battery.
What's this? Some big ass metal stuff.
Charger. Oh, that's weights to get it to balance when you're hopping the front end off the
Heavy.
ground.
That's probably worth $10.
Yeah.
How much is this? Should I ask?
No, you better not. Just say I had some rewards points.
Wow. Look inside of there. It's like brick stuff.
Yeah, you can do like a little backdrop for some pictures and things like that.
Look, Wyatt, look inside there. Oh, he's too busy with the car. This looks like it's been, what's that called? Can I open this box?
Yeah, I don't care.
It looks like it's been that spray painty stuff where people do
Graffiti.
Yeah. Graffitied.
I think you need to, what you do is you flip it over in its little foam tray. That's what people on the YouTube do.
And do what?
They lay it upside down so you can pull the pins out of the bottom.
To throw it upside down.
Yeah.
I think it'll look better on this.
I think there's body pins in the front maybe.
I don't know how the back even goes back down.
It's just caught on the side here. You gotta kind of tuck it in.
You can't follow what everyone else does, Jake. That's
All right.
boring. Oh, looky there. I'll just put that behind it.
Yeah, let's try that out.
Oh, wet. How about that?
Yeah, that is really cool.
Does it look like it's in a garage?
It looks like it's in a garage sitting on the hood of a real Impala.
With graffiti behind
With
there.
graffiti behind it. That's super cool. All right, we need to plug it in and charge the battery and try it out.
Okay.
All right,
The back end goes up and down?
Yep, we'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, here we are with the 66
Did you see
Impala.
that? He just popped
No,
it.
I did not see it. And we got it all charged up.
Oh, look at those tiny wheels. Wyatt, you need some smaller wheels on yours.
And
That's funny.
we have no idea how it works.
Spares on it. Miles loves it. Look at him looking at it.
He
Oh,
does.
Miles.
Look at
Funny.
that is too awesome.
Look at his little antennas.
Wyatt's at the wheel here.
Do the
He's kinda...
antennas make the remote work?
No.
Oh, it's all for fake?
Yeah. Kind of learning here what happens with this thing.
Jason said it has a reef servo in there.
Yeah. The one that makes the wheel stop. Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Miles, what's going on with that car? Oh, look at how it dropped. Now you can put bigger wheels on it.
Put some crawler tires on it.
That's crazy, Wyatt. Don't get any ideas about your car.
Can you...
This is cool.
Oh, look at that. Can you drive it like that?
That's
That is
funny.
sick. That is so awesome. What do you think, Miles?
That's neat. Holy crap. Is it dragging at all?
He's pulling a leaf with him there.
It doesn't scuff?
Yeah, it seems to be pretty good as far as clearances.
Wow.
You can hear it scraping the bumper just a hair, but
It's probably this concrete though.
yeah.
And it looks like it's got a broken leg.
Can you bounce the front with the back up in the air? Oh, look at it. That is awesome. That is so cool.
You should have tried to drive it up there. Let's go. Let's go. Go forward.
It won't go forward with it in there. Yeah, do a little bumper dragging. Let's see the underneath there. Oh, it looks like it's got a real exhaust under there.
Oh my gosh.
There are so many parts you can get for these things too.
Probably not as good looking as Wyatt's exhaust.
Yeah. Well, there's the real Impala in the background. That looks really cool.
Wyatt's got a whole nice exhaust under him. Oh my gosh. What do those wheels do? Wave high?
Yeah, they're waving at you.
How do they do that? God.
We gotta put some lights in
I
this
love
thing.
the wheels on it.
Yeah.
Chrome wheels.
Yep.
They're pretty. But they're so tiny.
That full speed. Definitely does. That goes faster than what I thought it would.
Why does this have a white top? Did they used to have soft white tops like this?
Yeah.
Like Wyatt's Cadillac? Huh? Like your Cadillac?
Oh, we forgot to put the interior back in. It doesn't even have an interior right now.
Wyatt's getting ready to sticker it.
Okay.
It comes with stickers.
Yeah. That is too freaking cool.
That's pretty. I love the little chrome down the top.
Uh-huh.
It's so pretty.
Then what? Scar have that little chrome piece down the center too?
You touch through it, just pop that thing through
Yeah.
the hood.
Yeah, it needs some working headlights and taillights, and it would look really cool.
This doesn't come with lights?
No,
Oh.
but I can put those in it. That's not a big
Wow,
deal.
you're sticking it out. What is that thing?
Okay, this is one of the coolest RC cars I've ever had.
We'll put the tea down. Stop it. Stop. He's standing behind you. Okay, I won't get you. Okay. Stop it with the wrong tea. Wow. Just stay with the tea. Yes. It's so cute. Oh man, the paint job on it.
Yep. This is that color you liked from the hobby store. It's on the, remember that one hauler truck that was this color?
Yeah.
And you said, I love that color. This is the same color.
It's pretty.
These
Wyatt.
are the things on the side.
Oh.
I haven't even used all the buttons.
Really?
What are these?
I think you're doing a great job.
That's a
Oh.
What is it?
button. These are
Oh my gosh.
I guess there's that. So you can drive and do it sometime.
Oh, okay.
What's wrong with that car, Miles?
Whoa.
Wow. That's a good driver. So we need to add some music on this part.
Yeah.
So turn the air off.
All my friends drive a lowrider.
No, it would have been like, it would have been like Beach Boys.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what you need to block.
That's hard to keep up with.
I love it.
That is awesome.
It is cute.
Yeah.
My. That would definitely win a classic car show.
Yep.
It's nice.
Alright guys, I think we'll end the video here. We're probably going to keep playing with this thing, but this is really cool. A lot of fun. This is one of the funnest out of the box RCs we've had in a while. So
It's pretty neat.
yeah, pretty
It's
cool.
a nice surprise.
Yep, we're definitely going to have to do it up, put some lights on it, get white stickers on it,
Dragon butt.
and get it up back out here and try it again. So if you like this sort of RC content, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.
I love it in the light. Ooh, look at it. Look at the color of it in the light. That's better than my paint job.
Alright, little bonus footage of Liz driving it,
Mine
just so you can figure it out.
Oh, look at me go.
Yeah.
I can just picture down my old country road, going slow so we can pick up any dust.
And
Trying
then,
to find a little creek.
and then you hit your buttons.
And park beside the creek. Get your little fishing pole out.
Got some noise here from the big Impala. Okay.
Get my fishing pole out. It's out. There we go.
Oh, so you tip the car so you just fall out? That's That's how you get out. You can get me out.
There
Get
you
the other
out.
way. All right, now what?
Okay. Gotta get the fishing poles out.
Okay. Gotta mix our drinks.
There.
All right, mixing the drink.
That's funny. This thing has so many different ways you can
Yeah.
swing it.
I think your body came untucked.
Oh.
Here's the thing on this side here. Let's fix that real quick. There we go. I think that's on there, right?
Now be careful.
Yeah.
It's an antique. Jason.
I don't know if it's on there right or not.
It looks exactly the same.
Okay.
The drinks are mixed. And now, we're out. And there we go. We're all to bed. Now we'll take a nap.
Okay.
Good night.